How are you going to move the bicycle?
Moving the pedal.
Moving the
Pedal.
pedal. And then how are you going to turn to the right and turn to the left? What are you going to use?
I'm gonna use the.
If you're going to the right and left, what are you going to use?
I'm gonna use the handles to move.
The handle to move. What do you use to move the handle?
Like this.
Use your what?
Like this.
What are you going to use?
I'm gonna use this one to turn like this.
Okay, and then the other one?
I'm gonna use this one to do like this.
Okay, and then what makes you turn the bicycle? Your what?
Mine.
Your mind? Wow. What?
Mine.
Your mind? Wow, good. Okay, come on. Ready? Move. You are so fast. Turn. Good. Nice. Stand up if you cannot pedal.
Yeah.
You need a big turn?
Yeah, because I need a big place to turn.
Okay, go. You try.